How to check old Spotify Wrapped. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. So as we are all set to welcome a new year, why don't we go ahead and get us a refresh or a recap of our old Spotify music that we were obsessed of. That is how to check our old recap or the old Wrapped. So for this, all you need to do is basically update your Spotify application and log in into your Spotify account if you have not yet. Now, once you are in here at the bottom, you will see the search icon. You need to click on this option. So right over here in the search bar, you can just search for Wrapped and the year of which you want to have all of the details of your music. So let me go ahead and just type in Wrapped 2019. Now in here you will find this playlist that says your top music or your top songs 2019. So this is your old Wrapped of Spotify. To check out all of the music, just tap on and more. Here you will find all of your music that you were obsessed with back in the day. Isn't it simple? If you want to find for 2020 or 2021, you can just search for Wrapped 2020 or 2021. And depending upon your Spotify account, you will get all of your Wrapped right here in this section. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.